Hello, this is Chad McMahon with Protect with Insurance. Welcome to an episode on no medical exam term life insurance from $100,000 to $400,000 in coverage. Now, first thing I want to say is that term life insurance, even though there's no medical exam, you still have to be reasonably healthy. In fact, you usually have to be healthier than average. The reason why is that all of these companies, even when there's simple issue, which is what it's called when there's no medical exam, they still pull your medical database, which is basically the information that anytime you go to a doctor, psychiatrist, anything like that, they're going to enter information into your medical database. It's called the MIB. And so all of these life insurance companies, they're going to pull this. And so you tend to need to be on 3 or less prescription medicines and no moderate or more medical conditions. Things like diabetes, it's totally fine. But insulin, things like that, that's they tend to say no and decline if you're taking insulin. And if you just have blood pressure, minor cholesterol, those are fine. But again, 3 or less prescription medicines. Also, if you have very mild anxiety, very minor or mild depression, sleep-related issues, things like that, those tend to be fine as well. And then there's a longer list of things that are okay, they're acceptable. Call us with questions on that. Now, the really wonderful thing about this simple issue is that it means many more approvals than you have to get with fully underwritten policies. So again, fully underwritten term life insurance policies are going to be policies that require a paramed and a medical exam. They pull a lot more information. They have much stronger requirements, things like that in order to approve. So term life insurance, if that's what you're looking for, they're going to be larger coverage policies, life insurance policies, that it's a term. So you need to understand that term is not for everyone. Term is going to expire, or at least at the end of the term, the price will increase. And there are no guarantees outside of the term. So you pass the length of the term and you're kind of in the wild zone at that point. And so you're not protected by the contract anymore in terms of your health not being locked in and things like that. So most people, especially past the age of 50, they prefer a whole life insurance policy. But if you want a larger coverage policy and you're okay with it being for just a little stretch of time, then this is going to be the kind of program that's going to be a good fit for you as long as you're healthy enough to qualify for it. So reach out to us, look into, or ask us to look into for you a no medical exam term life insurance policy. Let us know how much coverage you want. Again, this particular program, which gives exceptional pricing, as long as you qualify, they offer amounts from $100,000 to $400,000 in coverage. I hope this has been helpful. It's a great program for people that want term. And if you have perfect health, by the way, no prescription medicines, no medical diagnoses at all, pretty much ever, aside from, colds, get sick, things like that, that's fine. Occasional antibiotics, and then you're not taking them anymore. All of that is fine. Also, nearly ideal build in terms of height and weight. If you have perfect health, let us know that up front because we can get a fully underwritten term policy for you with untouchable pricing. So just bear that in mind. That's when it's a good fit to go fully underwritten. And that's something that's worth talking about. It can be 50% the cost of any other term. Occasionally, it can be down to 20 to 40% the cost of any other term. It's amazing the difference in pricing. All right, take care, everybody. Good luck out there.